Do your sweet potatoes come out dry, chalky, and hard to enjoy? Most people boil or steam them, but that's actually not the best way if you want real flavor. Today, I'll show you a simple method that makes them naturally sweet, soft, and slightly chewy every single time. Let's start with prep. Don't just rinse them. Soak your sweet potatoes in water with 1 tablespoon of baking soda. This helps loosen dirt and residue on the skin, so it comes off easily. If you don't have baking soda, you can use salt instead. Let them sit for about 5 minutes, then dry them completely. Dry skin matters for the next step. Next, trim off the ends. This lets you check the inside quality and helps release steam while cooking. Then, use a fork or knife to poke small holes around the potato. This helps heat move evenly, so the inside cooks through without drying out the outside. Now for the key step, a light coat of oil. Use a paper towel and gently rub oil over the skin. This helps keep moisture inside while cooking and improves the texture of the skin. It also makes peeling much easier later. We'll use an air fryer for this. Set it to 200 degrees Celsius or 390 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for about 30 minutes. Halfway through, flip the potatoes. This helps them cook evenly and brings out more natural sweetness. Here's the difference. The steamed one looks pale and dry, but this one, soft, glossy, and rich in color. The texture is smoother, almost creamy, with a deeper, natural sweetness. If this helped you, hit like and share it with someone who loves simple cooking tips. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Easy Genius DIY, and follow my Facebook page for more easy ideas like this. See you in the next video.